This is the location where I'm trying to bring to the attention of Jabatan Kerja Raya or those officers in charge of this Borneo road, that this drain here, very nice highway drain, has been covered starting from there. Starting from there, you can see that they lay a new road lane on top of it. From that culvert, and then that's covered. It's covered all the way up to that pillars, the overpass pillars. Okay, so the new lane road turning left to join the Borneo there. This is the lane. It's concreted over the open drain. So now this open drain has become a culvert of some kind, a tunnel. A tunnel, okay? It's become a tunnel there, and it's a tunnel until those area there, until the columns. Then it opens up. So this tunnel here, an open drain becoming a tunnel, will have a sucking effect during the flood, because this area is flood prone. Every time it floods, it may come over 3 feet on top of this road. 3 feet, that's dangerous. And if there is a strong current there, and it's sucking there, the water will be sucked in there, and somebody is walking along this road nearby can be sucked into that road. And if it's sucked into that drain, the tunnel, you're dead. There's no hope of you coming out of the other end alive, right? You might even be stuck inside. So I'm proposing to JKR to put some kind of a fence here, a mark, a fence along here. At least a fence, so that maybe not necessarily on the other side, but at least along the roadside, because during the flood, people are still wading along this road. They're still walking, even when it's flooded. So that become a very dangerous location. Okay, so I think the JKR supervisor has asked me to send a letter of suggestion and complaint to this, and I will going to do that soon, right?